Good morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner. It's Friday the 29th of April. I'm Ollie O'Donnell and I'm joined by Paul Rankin. Paul, how are you today?
I am well. It's a nice sunny day outside, so it's a good way to end the week, I think.
Yeah, well, it's been jam-packed with mining news flow, so when we've got another busy day of it today. So let's get going. Where do you want to start?
We've got Shanghai Mining Club member and Argentina lithium brine developer Galan Lithium with their quarterly statement out. No particular surprises there, but nice to see such a nice cash balance left on the books there in bringing the pilot plant on Hombre Muerto Solar into construction and production here. Would note for investors, though, that Galan still does not have a formalized off-taker, so it's one of the biggest and richest Solar's deposits out there that still hasn't gotten its financial and trade commitment here at this point. So keep a good eye on that one, I think.
Yeah, no, that makes it quite exciting. Lithium equity is a bit volatile at the moment with COVID lockdowns in China. Seem to be pulling back the lithium price, and that's hit those stocks quite a lot recently. What else have we got, Paul? I think Ionic Rare Earths have had a similar quarterly announcement too.
Yes, they have. That also their quarterly statement is out. It's more or less a reiteration of a lot of the press releases that they had given previously during the period here. Post-period end, they did raise another $30 million for exploration there on their rare earth clays in Uganda, and that was heavily oversubscribed with good institutional placement as well. I would point out for investors that the quarterly report shows a group of maps, and in those maps, for me as a geologist, it suggests that the number of different zones that they highlight now as containing the rare earth mineralization, they show them as disconnected, but all within one essential band or trend. And because it is a sediment-hosted deposit, I would say that that is just a relic of the way the drilling has been done to date, but that represents more or less just the gaps that they haven't drilled between these individual zones at this point. So there's definitely more to come since it's a multi-kilometer long trend for sure.
Interesting. There's an update on Firefinch's demerger as
Yes,
well.
that's right.
Lithium a bit closer to coming to market.
Right, we've got Leo Lithium coming to market now with a whole host of press releases out on the various regulatory bits and bobs. First off, the prospectus for Leo Lithium has now been filed. They've set the shareholders meeting date for the 31st of May. There's also to be a participation of existing Firefinch shareholders on a coming raise as part of the prospectus of up to 80 million Australian offered at 70 cents per share. And there's also a pro rata commitment there for up to 20 million as well, Australian. And Firefinch intends to hold or participate in that raise such that they will hold about 20% of the post-listing shares in Leo Lithium. So it's moving right along for this. Leo Lithium for investors, it's the specific spodumene Goulamina deposit in Mali that Firefinch is spinning out as a new and separate company. And that is in joint venture with Jiangxi Ganfeng.
Okay. That's probably enough for today, Paul.
Do you have any comment on the big fall this past week in the uranium price? It's come off more than $10 on the spot rate per pound.
Not particularly, I'm afraid. We haven't got that much uranium under coverage.
Volatility is the word, I guess, is the best way to put it at this point. So investors have to be pretty nimble and pretty careful.
Yeah. All right, Paul. Have a good weekend. We'll be back next week.
Very good.
Thanks. Bye.
Yep. We're off on Monday, though, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Very good. Thanks.